Okay guys, it is another nighttime video with Benidorm Crazy Marcus. We're checking out the beautiful Castel. Come and join us on this crazy adventure to see Benidorm's best views. So it is in night time, it's about coming on 11 o'clock, somewhere around that time. Of course, you can just about make out the beautiful blue tile roofs of Church de Saint Jamie. And you can actually get some really beautiful views up here at the Castel, guys. It is known as the best place to watch a sunset over Benidorm as well. And Benidorm is known for some of the best sunsets.
You've got disabled access as well, Marcus.
Oh yeah, you do have disabled access. Ramp there, just by. Some of the old remains of the original Castel. Back in the day, it actually used to be a castle, guys. Believe it. Now, I'm going to take a slow up round, but firstly, show you the main area. The best place for pictures and the place where most people dream of getting married. And it were used as a restaurant seen on Benidorm. When Jeff, of course, meets Leslie. And now for our first view, we're looking out over the left side of the Castel, over Lefante Beach, and of course Lefante Promenade. I'm not sure if that's going to come up on camera. I'll try zoom in a bit. We've got the colour changing lights as well. I think, unbelievably, they have finally been fixed to go all the way down Lefante Beach. Unbelievably, guys. And I'll check out that view. I know Walk-On Wildside's always bragging about views, but has he been to Benidorm yet? Just so peaceful up here, so tranquil. Seas calm as well. Going to take a further walk round. I'm not too sure if I will be heading down to the Mirador or Mediterranean. No?
You do it from up here, you just get a shot of
Yeah,
it.
I'll do it from up here. You do have the glass wall bits as well to give the effect like you're standing in front of nothing. I'll try to do that now. I don't think it's really going to work with this gimbal, guys.
Not going to work at night, I don't think.
But you can just see how peaceful it is around here. Over the day, it do have artists all around here, and some of the local talent playing guitar up here. And it's just a nice area to come and chill, take your mind away from all life's problems. Wow, I'm surprised at how dark it actually is tonight, to be honest. I can just about make out Peacock Island, if that's not my eyes playing tricks on me. You can just about see it, guys. Just where my fingers pointing. The Mirador, the Mediterranean is just standing sets, one of the best areas to watch sunsets from, or any forex shows taking place on either the Lefante beachfront or Poniente beachfront. Oh. And coming further round, you just got picturesque views all round. I'll zoom you out once again. Down there is the steps to the Mirador del Mediterranean. Not very accessible and quite often on the Spanish April Fools. People do say they have changed the steps and replaced them with escalators. If only, guys, if only. I'm actually surprised at how busy it is up here tonight, guys. Now we've seen the views of the fancy side. I'll show you down the well. You can't really see nothing. I might maybe try edit a face in there looking back at me, depending on how evil I am and whether or not I want to give people nightmares. You do, of course, have the information boards about the history of the Castel. I'll try get that in a bit if you want to pause it, read about the history. And finally, my favourite view of Benidorm is, of course, the view of Ponente and all the way down to La Cala. I'm going to find myself a quiet little spot to get the viewing, guys. So down at the bottom is the beautiful Malpas beach, one of the many quarter beaches, and there's a guy metal detecting down there that might used to do. And of course, the best view, a view of all over Ponente Beach, and of course we can see as far as La Cala, my favourite area of Benidorm. One of my favourite views, guys, and it's just so peaceful. Yeah, is that Hotel Bali that's lit up? Yeah, the tall one in the background is Hotel Bali. The one that you can't see but it's lit up red and white, I think that's a different hotel. And of course, we do have the tallest apartment building in Europe, the Tempo building, also known as the Benidorm M. The place I one day dream of owning an apartment. I can only dream, guys, I can only dream. Okay, I'll flip you around and finish the video. So guys, oh, I'm a bit too far in there. Keep forgetting I've zoomed in. Anyway guys, that is a tour of Benidorm's El Castello. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to smash that like, smash the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios, mi bueno amigos.